If your Cash App card is being declined despite having money on it, the issue is often related to security concerns. The Cash App prioritizes customer security, and as a result, it will decline transactions if it detects suspicious or potentially unauthorized activity on the card. In such cases, a notification is sent to confirm whether the purchase is recognized. To resolve this, the Cash App mobile app should be opened, and the Activity tab should be accessed to find and click on the declined transaction. Confirming whether the purchase is recognized is crucial, as failing to respond may lead to future transactions being blocked at the same merchant. Another possible reason for the decline is exceeding the daily transaction limit. The Cash App has a daily limit of $7,000, and surpassing this amount can cause the card to be declined. To fix this, spending should be limited to the preset limit, or a request can be made to increase it. Alternatively, payments can be split to avoid exceeding the limit. Technical glitches within the Cash App mobile application can also cause the card to be declined. These glitches may be due to bugs or the use of an outdated version of the app. To resolve this issue, downloading the latest version of the app is recommended. If the problem persists, contacting the Cash App support team at 1-800-969-1940 can provide further assistance.